Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to show you guys the Rosa L by Nordica. So the Rosa L is also going to be one of the models that does have a center flue option. So the Rosa L is basically the same stove as the Rosa XXL, but it is slightly smaller. So this is how the standard XXL model looked, with the black side panels and the standard red tiles in the front. Now they do actually come with red and black tiles that come standard with the stove, so you can interchange those on site. I do believe that the red ones are the ones that come installed standard. So kind of the way that you would tell the difference between the L and the XXL, the L has 2 ceramic panels, the XXL is going to have 3 ceramic panels. So I'm gonna take you inside and show you the Firebox. So your damper controls, again, you have 2 damper controls located here on the bottom of the Firebox. This is your primary air, brings in combustion air from underneath the Firebox. So you have 1 and 2 separate damper controls. Inside the Firebox, again, same as the XXL, this model is going to have the cast iron grate in the bottom of the Firebox, cast iron on the rear of the Firebox, and both sides of the stove are going to be a standard fire brick lining. Your ash pan is located directly below the Firebox. Nice enamel ash pans. Enamel ash pans are nice because they're super easy to keep clean, can wipe out the ashes, definitely reduces the mess. So the oven on the Rosa L is what's going to be smaller. I believe that the Firebox on the L and the XXL are going to be the same. So the width of the stove on the XXL is larger, and that extra width on the XXL model is coming from the difference in the size of the oven itself. Now the Rosa L does include 2 pans. Inside the oven you get the standard wire oven rack along with the enamel pan. Your oven cleanout is going to be located on the front of the stove. Now this model does have the gaskets for the oven located on the stove body itself rather than on the door. Your oven damper control is located directly above the oven, right there. So pretty simple for your damper controls. You basically have 3 damper controls, 2 on the bottom, 1 oven damper control located on the top. Again, you do have a very shallow pan drawer that you can use to store pans or kindling or whatever you please. So again, this model is going to be available with a top or a rear vent. I really hope that you guys found this video overview helpful, that you enjoy watching our videos. If you do like our videos, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, share them with your friends. Thank you all for watching and have a wonderful day.